Alright guys, the most common question I still get asked on YouTube is how I do my mince kebab skewers. Now, it's not magic, it's not something secret, I'll show you guys everything I do. It just takes a lot of practice. So I decided that I'll do a little short video on how to do it, very close up as well. So guys, I've got our mince here, so I've got lamb mince here. This is for Persian kubi there. I've got a bowl of warm water here, and I've got our wide metal skewers here as well. There's no secret to this, everything's in front of me. We're going to dip our hand into the warm water. We're going to grab about a handful of our meat mixture. And just against the bowl, you want to roll it into a nice spear like that. The smoother it is, the easier it's going to go on the skewer. Now in our hand, we're going to shape it into a cylinder like that. And we'll grab one of our skewers. And we're going to push this onto the skewer just like that. As you can see, this side is still closed. This side is open. And we're going to push down from the top just very gently and just get it on there. So guys, dip your hand into the warm water again. Flip the skewer, and from the top, using your thumb, you're just going to push down like that. Just like that. It's not magic. You don't need a mold. You don't need anything like that. Flip the skewer over. Dip your hand in the warm water again. Once again from the top, push down like that. Push down nice and hard as well. You're not only creating these beautiful ridges, but you're locking the meat onto the skewer. And from the bottom, you just want to take off that excess, push it up, make sure it's nice and secure. Same at the top, nice and secure. There we have it. I'll do another one just to show you. Once again, grab about a handful of our mixture, roll it into a nice spear. Grab one of our skewers into a cylinder shape, push it straight on, and eventually we'll start to go nice and fast like this, like I do. So I told myself today, I pretty much do about 2 skewers a minute. That's at a normal pace. If I'm really in a rush, if we're very desperate in the restaurant, then I can go much quicker. There we have it. Simple as that.